Alright, heading back to the dealer. I'm taking my turn with the Indian Scout. Let's check this bike out. I love the looks of this bike, I'll tell you that much. It's been a while since I've been on a bike with forward pegs. This feels awesome. So they're calling for thunderstorms now. They're supposed to come from up there. Let's see. This bike is very comfortable. Feels very stable. Very nice. It's a cruiser. And I swapped with the Triumph there. Steve's riding the Triumph 765 RS, a street triple. Nice bike, very nice bike. And it's one of the best bikes for the city. If you want something something quick, something economical, lower CCs. For me anyways, I've been riding bigger CC engines, like bigger than 1500 cc's for the last like 10-15 years. So that's a middleweight, beautiful middleweight bike. And this is wow, this is definitely putting a smile on my face. For a screen that's that low, it's definitely doing a pretty good job. Not the best, but better than what I expected. We'll take it out on the highway and see how the wind protection is there. But again, this is a cruiser, meant to be cruised. You cruise a cruiser. It's not a big deal. How much wind you get, and at the end of the day, you ride a motorcycle to feel the wind, feel the elements, baby. That's it. This definitely feels light compared to the other bikes that I've had. Indian Scout. It's got 6 gears, so that's pretty good. Bike with 6 gears is meant to be cruising on the highway. So, fuel efficiency. I am so comfortable in this bike. This is unbelievable. I didn't expect it to be this comfortable. Forward controls usually means, for a guy my size, I'm 5'8". A guy my size would need risers. Jeez, feels like I can ride this thing all day. very, very comfortable. But again, it's not like I'm on this. I've been sitting on it for an hour or more. You got the thicker grips. It's perfect. You got cruise control, buddy. You got cruise control. Haha. There you go. There you go. Cruising on a cruiser with cruise control. That's what I'm talking about. Beautiful. Beautiful. I think Talos is falling in love with another bike. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Definitely an exhaust is needed on this. You know what this bike is missing? A quick shifter. I'm so used to the quick shifters on bikes that I kind of messed up a couple of times. I went to upshift and I'm trying not to use the clutch because I'm thinking it has a quick shifter, and I look like a freaking noob. You know, for something with such a low windscreen, this is pretty good coverage. I mean, you still feel the wind, but a lot less than what I thought you would. This is a very educational experience today. I realized that I need another bike. It's okay, it opens up. It opens up right here. It's all good, it's all good. We're on a cruiser with cruise control, we're just cruising. Indian. Never expected this from an Indian. Started to change my my feeling. Started to change my my feelings towards Indians. There's the highway. I'm gonna hop on and see what this thing can do on the highway. I like it. It's good, eh? Yeah, both of them are. Both these bikes are freaking awesome. Yeah. So he has an S1000, a BMW S1000 R naked bike, and for him to like the 675 RS, that's pretty cool. That says a lot about the Triumph. Even at highway speeds, I find this to be pretty stable, pretty planted for a mid-size cruiser. It's all good. It's almost as if it's screaming to me, give me more, give me more. Yeah, buddy. This is a good bike, man. Holy shit, how did it pass under my radar? Yeah, if Steve never wanted to ride this, I would have never been on this. Damn. This is definitely being added to the list. acreage, 412. We'll take the 412, head down. This is the fastest way, I think, to get to the dealer. I'm looking at the clouds. The clouds are northeast, so hopefully we'll stay dry. Should stay dry. I can't help but sit here and just imagine me in the future on this bike with the right exhaust on it. Man, oh man. Yep. Very impressed. Very impressed, Indian. Hey, let's try cruise control. Cruise control on a cruiser, cruising on the highway. Yep. He thoroughly enjoyed the 675, the street triple. Definitely makes the list for a midweight city bike, naked. Very nice. And this definitely tops the charts on a cruiser. Is it the fastest cruiser? No. Is it the most beautiful cruiser? One of them. It's definitely up there. It's not the biggest. It's not the baddest. I think it's just right. You got the Popo over there, chilling. You got us over here, chilling, cruising. Going back to the dealer. Drop off these bikes. I really want to take it home, but the seat is very comfortable. So far, I mean, I've only been on it for what, 20 minutes? But the seat feels very, 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 very good. Very nice. Getting off at the next exit. This is a good bike. Very nice. Yeah, it looks like there's some rain clouds up north. It's okay, we'll stay south. Come on. Mr. Porsche over there. Mr. Mazda over here. We're able to make the light. Yeah, it's flashing. Good. Very good. Ergonomically, this bike is pretty good too. Everything is good positioning. Cruise control switch, the signals, signal indicator switch. Mirrors look good. Everything is pretty good. The one thing about this model, doesn't have an RPM gauge, so I don't know how fast the engine is spinning, but you can feel it. Once you get used to the bike, you know kind of like when to shift, when you're cruising, when you're accelerating. You get to feel how the bike. And we're back. Oh. What?
Yeah, if you don't buy this bike, Paul has to buy this bike.
Didn't I say that?
Dude, this thing's planted.
Isn't
This
it?
is way more stable than my bike is.
You're a BMW?
Way more stable than the Beamer.
Really?
So I was futzing around there, and dude, I was letting myself get pushed around by the wind. This is way more stable than that. This does not get pushed around in the wind, nowhere near that.
And that's a heavier bike.
Yeah, that's 199.
Oh, this is heavier.
This is heavier.
Oh, that's why
The
then.
way it is, right? This is heavier.
Yeah.
It's because that bike is so lightweight, the wind pushes it.
Ah.
This is planted. That's why I was laughing so much.
Yeah.
Dude, I was laughing my ass off pretty much the entire ride. And did you notice the two OPP offices?
Yeah, I saw them.
Yeah. Oh man, oh my god, dude, you have to buy this bike. This you have to buy.
I have to buy this too.
Yeah,
I have to buy 2 bikes.
because I love this. This is great.
Yeah?
If I didn't have, okay, if I wasn't going into the super sport realm, this would be a top consideration for middleweight. That's
This I told you, this is a perfect city bike.
that is amazing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would definitely buy that.
All right, you heard it. Anyways, and on that note, we'll talk about bikes on the next episode. Ciao.